The Rogers Preferred program rewards existing customers with perks like bill credits and exclusive discounts. First, let's cover eligibility. You must be an existing Rogers customer with an active postpaid account that includes wireless, internet, TV, or home phone services. Prepaid customers aren't eligible, but upgrading to a postpaid plan will grant you access. There are no credit checks required. If you have a qualifying account, enrollment is automatic. To sign up, use the My Rogers app on iOS or Android, visit rogers.com/preferred, or call customer service. Provide your account details, agree to the terms and conditions, and you'll receive a confirmation email. Activation typically takes 24 to 48 hours, after which you can start earning points. Once enrolled in the Rogers Preferred program, you earn 1 point for every dollar spent on eligible Rogers purchases, such as monthly bills and add-ons. These points can be redeemed for bill credits, gift cards for places like Amazon or Starbucks, or exclusive discounts on Rogers products and services. For example, 500 points might get you a $5 bill credit. Keep an eye out for annual rewards, such as a free month of service for long-term members over 2 years. Savings can reach 10 to 20% on accessories or upgrades, depending on your usage. Rogers uses a tiered system. Preferred is the basic level, while Preferred Plus is for higher spenders over $200 per month, unlocking faster point accrual. Remember that points expire after 2 years of inactivity. Regularly check the My Rogers app or website for the latest offers and your point balance to maximize your savings.